Here we're going to talk about strap changing. Now basically the whole principle behind a strap changing is to release this small bar that's fitted inside the strap. So there are 2 or 3 different types of tools that you can use for these. The most common is this tool, which you'll see on the internet. It's got a little fork at the end there. The idea of the fork is to go on either side of this little raised lip here on this spring bar and push it down to release the watch. Personally, and when I speak to a lot of jewelers, we find it a lot easier to use a simple knife, small pen knife. If you're ever changing a watch strap, they don't actually look much, but these are really spring-loaded. The more expensive the watch, the better the spring loading. They're little bars, solid bars of steel. They can fly out of the watch. I wouldn't recommend doing this without any glasses on. Now you've got 2 types of strap fittings, right? This is a customized strap fitting. So the watch inside the strap here is a plastic bar, and then the spring bar is inside that plastic bar. I wouldn't at this stage recommend changing the straps when you've got a customized watch like this. I, and a lot of jewelers, in fact a lot of the jewelers that you see on the high street, prefer to use a small pen knife. Inside like that, release the spring bar, you can feel it release, the strap comes off. You can use the tools to put the strap back in. It is actually 9 times out of 10 or 10 times out of 10, it's easier to use your fingernails. You put one end of the spring bar in the hole, you line up the watch alongside there, push down on the lugs, and you'll hear it click in. But if you've got a rose gold plated watch, what you don't want to do is scratch the watch. So work from underneath to refit the watch strap. It's exactly the same principle on the other side of the watch.